Belaino Koktwma Kaham, Tripura Public English Medium NoKni Bwkhak Rwng nairokni Bagwi Thai, Mungia Kami are the block Habanok by Khobjak, North Moharani Puro, Rwng nairokni Bagwi, Kaham Sep Unka admission fees ni Bagwi, Rang Koksabon Nanglak. Class 1 ni Simi, Class 5 Zora Bishi Kaitam Zora Romboi, Tai Hostel Tongai, Rwng Mani Simi, Rangmari, Kisani Bisingtai Naharzagnai, admission is Shalmari Unka. Mars talni sni shalmari ni simi. Mars talni thamjisa shalmari jora. O rwng ni adongrok bai krungnani kokduk number engka 8787363861. Hayakeba 8787818619. Abono karibo tongo 7005 572634. Yakeba 8837321351.
Chini Rajuni Bororog Nukok Kishak Kasarmu Koktwma Kaham Kisus Hanai Chini Tripura Public School North Moharanipur Kishu Borok to Chef Sabrina Nebagi Kashakok Kasarmu Hostel facility 20 Odaba Kurizona Nishit Tongo 3 years Nibagi Borno Kaham Chef Sabrizak Nai Tarmane hostel ni fee tomar nai tai admission fee maranai tai 3 year jorati borok ni school fee naharjakla to or chef sab manan bagi joto musung tongnai or details joto sung seya parika 1 2 3 4 contact number tongo first ni pore second third fourth o jaga norok available kok salai di tai o jaga je tongmani subida je tongmani lamo belai ki lama sajak khitai tongthai chathai hostel ni sidro fan ten jutto je nangsukmani jotto serarni bagi ekdom kaham rejagai tong to o area ni bagi Mongia Kamini Bishung Khobjak Kolampur PS North Moharanipur Ang Sagbaitan Oroni Nok Phangi Joton Thine Kok Kasarmung Tongnai Jotto Srairokno 3 boshor eba 3 years joti kahamke bonang phoreng rohanani Sagbaithang ang 100% guarantee rui chaituk mung tongnai tai borokti bagi jotto nangmani Borno je gyan dina nangmani jeta phorengna nangmani ang abo ekdom daitto sohokare kaham kaina gosinawi norong thane kok kasarmung musung tongnai jotto area rokni chini takhuk bukhuk jong kisu kri bororok noror sap sapna habai dini kok kasarmung ang kisisa norong samani paririkha rajyoni jotto chini Tripura bororokni bagi o facility engnai jotto nana hambai
swrwng important advertisement we want to give through this swrwng Tripura Public School North Moharanipur Telemura Khwai Tripura under Mungia block. Today hostel seat available for both boys and girls. It is limited seat, only 20, that is for ST only. And first come first will get the chance, and hosteler will get free school fees for 3 years, and only admission fees and mess fees needed to be paid for hosteler, and hostel admission form are available at school. Time it is given 7 AM to 10 AM, and last date of submission form is 17 to 31st March 2023, and here contact number is given. Through this you can contact and you can confirm your form. Thank you.